Man, everybody likes mine and Andrew's car, right? Everybody. Like, look in the insides. Yeah. Look at that. Yeah. Oh, there's the hood. Yeah, everybody likes mine and Andrew's car. And I want to give a shout out to Mandy. I don't know why, I just do. Don't stop watching. Bye. Wait, anything you want to say to them?
Just look at this. Look at this car, man.
Look at that.
Sexy.
Look at that.
Look at this seat. Just look at that.
And then it works too. You should have seen it. We were gonna drive it, but too dusty. Alright. I think I can edit that out. Dude, don't show the license plate. I don't know how to figure stuff out.
This is